Okay, I didn't leave. I'm back actually. I wanted to show you our roof. Tiles are coming along. Lots more to do, but it's looking so good. Let's walk around and then I can get a shot of the back. That's almost done. There's scaffolding all over here, so I have to be careful, but let's see where we are. Okay, looks pretty good. This is going to be a staircase that's the landing right there, and of course the entire deck will have some metal railing. It's going to look pretty nice. If I'm moving around, it's my jog here. Try not to trip. Okay, let's get over here, and there we have it. This is the Hotel California view on the back side. But it is so exciting. Coming along. Great crew. And some fantastic ideas coming along as we continue moving forward. Pretty amazing. Very, very talented roofing team. And so maybe next week we'll show you some, I guess they put the paper before the stucco, but we're moving along. Okay, everyone, be safe, be well, be kind to one another, and we'll touch base soon. Adios.